two, your company, what is that? Your company is always a never-ending series of problems. You're solving problem internally, your employee problem, your staff problem, your operation problem, your customer problem, your legal problem, and so on. It's a long list of problems, and that's why your teams are working on every day to solve such kind of problems. So it's so much important that you train them in the right way so they can think and communicate very strategically, so they can work on that problem and bring the right solution, right possible solution, because every best solution is not the right solution for you because of your company strategies, company product, industry, and resources, and so many things. So they need to understand, and they need to do the right solution for that one, and that will only happen when you let them think and communicate strategically. Number three is the critical thinking. It's so much important. When it comes to solving a particular problem, they need to think in critical way. They need to be able to criticize themselves. They also need to think about deep dive about the problem. They will be able to look at the other people's perspective. They will be able to understand that one too. It's so much important that they need to think critically, and that will only enable to your team when you actually train your staff about think and communicate in a strategic manner.